Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your daily reading, we are picking few cards, Cancers, for your love energy. It's going to be like a pick a card, so you can choose the pile. I have given the timestamp in the description. You can skip to the description and watch that video. That will come right after this daily reading. Don't miss on that, guys, because it's going to be an elaborate reading. Let's start with the daily reading first. It's 10 of Cups in reverse, the Devil in reverse, and King of Swords in reverse, Cancers. With these cards in your situation today, guys, things are not going so well, guys, in your situation. It may be something to do with your career or personal life. You feel that the people you work with or the people in your family circle, they are not truthful, they are not to be trusted, and they are trying to go against you in any situation, and you feel really stressed and sad. For few of you, you are taking up some harmful habits, maybe some addictions, to overcome the stress or worries today, and you feel really sad and lost. Maybe for some of you, you may be in a connection, you are with a person and you may not share that great understanding with them. You feel really stressed and sad, and to overcome that sadness, you are turning to these addictions today, and you feel really weak, and you feel that this person is cheating you. They are trying to deceive you in some ways. Outright, you would have felt that this person is attractive, a good person, a loving person, but now when you are up close to them, you may see a different picture about them, and this person is not to be trusted, and they may have someone else in their life, and they are also interested in someone else and not you. So that may again lead to some stress and worries in this connection, guys. And I also feel that you are quite depressed and sad, and this person is not to be trusted, and you cannot take it anymore, and that is the reason you turn to these addictions today, guys. Cancers, maybe these cards denote something negative, but what we make of our life is always in our hands, guys. That is what I would say when we get all negative cards in a reading, guys. So you can watch that love reading, Cancers, that will come up right now. Don't miss on that reading. So any questions that you have about your situation, you can think about that, and you can choose the pile and watch that reading, guys. That will come up right now, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. I'll be picking 3 cards from each deck, so you can close your eyes, think of the questions you have in your relationship, and you can open and go to that pile, whichever you see first, guys, and make that choice, and skip to the timestamp and watch that reading. I'll be giving the timestamp in the description. So this is your first pile and this is your second pile. So I'll be silent for a few seconds and we will start the reading right after that. Okay, guys, for those who have chosen the first deck, this is the first deck. We will start with this reading. So 3 cards from this deck. Patience, love. These cards must be read straight, guys, not in reverse. And one more card here for y'all. 6 of Earth. With these cards, the energy is that, guys, for your love situation. This may be your energy or this may be your person's energy. You both love each other and you both feel that oneness and unity with each other because of that deep connection. Your clear communication may be the reason, and you have love for each other. That deep bond is there in this connection, and today you have to be quite patient, maybe in certain circumstances. If you are patient, if you are willing to uh, hold yourself and go for moderations, all that you are dreaming for, all that you are wishing for yourself and in this connection, you will be able to reach it. So this person loves you and they want you in this connection, and the same way you want them. And but there may be certain circumstances trying to push you over the edge towards anger or some kind of quarrels, resentments, but you have to keep your emotions under check. If you do that, you will be really surprised how things will turn out, and you will see unexpected gifts and unexpected turn of events in this connection, guys. Maybe this person is planning to propose to you. They may come with gifts and proposal, or you may be planning this may be that person's energy. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your love energy. So things are going in a very positive, beautiful way, but it is in your hands to wait for that good things to manifest. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this first deck. So let's see what are the cards with the second deck, guys. For those who have chosen this deck, this is the second card reading. Let us see what are the cards. I'll be picking 3 cards again from this deck. This is the first card, 4 of Suns, 9 of Moons in reverse, and one more card here, guys. It's 5 of Stars. With these cards, guys, the energy for your relationship, for those who have chosen the second deck. Today, maybe you have to be aware of what you communicate to this person. It may be a general energy or in this relationship, guys. So whatever you speak, you have to think clearly before you speak those words, because when you speak, the words spoken cannot be taken back. So sometimes if you remain silent, it will not affect your circumstance, but if some words spoken wrongly, it may affect the way certain things are in this connection, and you may have a few troubles because of that. And I also see that in this relationship, you would have, or they would have neglected you, or you would have neglected them. It may be something of your with your past person, someone who has been neglected by you, or they have neglected you, guys. So someone of that sort, they are coming back to visit you, maybe make amends if that is the circumstance was their mistake. They are coming forward to make amends, say sorry, and move on in life, forget that traumatic relationship they had. And also in this relationship, maybe for some of you, you may feel that this person does not know your worth, and they do not respect you. They are humiliating you in some ways, and you may feel anxious, and you may feel that things are not going well for you in this relationship, guys. But I also see that you are trying to overcome that, maybe your past hurt, or with this present person, all that negatives that you feel today. You may come to an understanding, and you are trying to overcome that, and you may find a common ground between you both to work this relationship, and you are putting in your efforts, and that is what I see. And maybe you may get quite lucky today. Luck may be working, and destiny may be helping you today in this connection. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.